26.4. So you scroll down, then creating arrays. So I say NumPy is used to work with arrays. The array object in NumPy is called ND array. Then we can create a NumPy ND array object by using the array function. So look at that. So look at what array is. So we say array is a special data structure used to store multiple values in a single variables. So in NumPy, an array is like a container that holds numbers. So a container that holds numbers. So the array is just like list that we normally do. So an array is a collection of items of the same type, by the same data types. So we did example of 1D array. This is an example of 1D array. Then confirming if it's really array. That's it. That is NumPy dot array. That is a class. So I also explained that type function. The type function, this built-in Python function tells us the type of object passed to it. So this one will tell you what the type of object, which is this line, like this line. So the object passed to it, showing that it is class NumPy.nd array. So now move on to dimension in arrays. So these are the dimension in array. You have 1D, you have 2D, you have 3D. So I said in NumPy, dimensions are called arrays. Then the number of dimensions are arrays. The number of dimensions an array has is known as its rank. So a dimension refers to the level of depth or structure in an array. So look at 1D array. Saying 1D array is what? It's a single list of values. Then a 2D array is like a table with rows and columns. So then 3D. So we need a 0D array, which is scalars. Are the elements in an array. Each value in an array is what? Is OD array. This is example of what we did. 50 then 0. So 1D array. 1D, an array that has 0D array element is called unidimensional 1D array. So these are the most common. They are the most common and basic array. This 2D, this 2D array, then 3D. Okay, we'll stop at 2D. Stop at 2D. So let's move on to 3D. So this is the assignment. What Susha should give you time to work on it. So maybe in the next class we'll be able to do the correction of that assignment. Please, we will not leave any assignments untouched. You must do it and do correction. So you know your errors, then correct it and move to the next thing. So that is of what we did the last time.
So Mr. Dan,
yes,
please,
sir.
now we have challenge.
Okay.
Challenges on most of it. I don't know if it's something maybe later after the class or
maybe maybe I'll spare you time after the class so I can check.
Okay.
Come, somebody wants to join the class. Hello, madam. Good evening, ma'am.
Hello, Mr. Good evening.
Please, is my assignment ready?
I sent a message on the assignment now. I did not look at it, but
When?
I've done the second part. I sent message on the group after the class. You did not respond. Or you can do correction.
Maybe I did not see it.
Yeah.
You did not do it.
I did the second, the 2D, but that 1D dimension, I don't know what's going on with it though.
1D dimension. Okay.
Mr. Dan, I have a question. Sorry.
Okay.
So for the 2D, so we can have as many rows as possible, right?
Yeah. For the 2D.
Yes.
Yes, can have as many errors as possible. But the opening and the closing matters.
Yes. Okay, so for 2D it has to be 2, for 3D it has to be 2.
Yes. So the correction, madam, the correction is that for those that have not done it, we give them grace of this week to patch up because I'm going to forward more assignments. So all the assignments you do it on Monday before any class. We run through all the correction. So
Boss, that would be choking.
that will be choking. Never know, you never say anything. You will choke with many assignments. Never see. So that is that you can be doing assignments. Yes. That is the punishment
Well,
of not doing the
well,
assignments.
thank God we have the weekend.
Yes, you have a lot of this. So sit down and do it. If anything not do, it will become choking, more choking. Become more choking. So let's go on. Let's continue from where we stop. So 3D array. That's where we are now. 3D. We've done 1D, we have done 2D. So move on to 3D. Because me, I want to train best students. I don't want to train people that don't know how to solve questions. Train best students. And you guys are wonderful students. Yes. You don't believe yourself. You. Instead of you. Let's go on. 3D array. Let's look at 3D. So, as usual, WhatsApp. Send to your WhatsApp. I'm going to take. Man. I sent it. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, sir, we're ready.
So let me show you an example of 3D with one D inside.
God bless you now.
Please, I have a question. Because I noticed this Anaconda file. Maybe it's just for me that you use. And then when it gets to that create shortcut, just install. Don't click on anything.
Yeah, don't connect.
Okay.
Are you installing? Are you installing again?
Yes, so it's like laptop and not style down.
Install numpy as empty. So I'm creating 3D with 1D array inside.
Mm-hmm.
So array equals empty dot array. This is an example of what?
Ma,
This is an example of 3D.
Mm-hmm.
What are you showing? Okay, screen table. Let me correct it.
They're meant to.
Yeah, open bracket.
Like open brackets, yeah.
I omit it, so let me add it back. So how do we check if it's 3D? You can tell us.
NDIM. We just
Print.
print ARR dot NDIM.
You can see that it's 3D. It's 3D with 1D inside. So
so I can't see the screen. No.
you can't see the screen. Who else cannot see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Who else? Let's know if it's his own network. Who else is not seeing my screen? So now your network will go. Everybody see my screen. So go off and join back. So network.
Mr. Dan, please, are you recording the class?
No, I'm not recording again. No, I don't do assignment.
Yeah. Mr. Dan, please, oh.
No vex, Mr. Dan. No vex.
I'm not recording again.
No vex for
If I'm making my effort to go in vain.
no
Please,
vex.
record.
Oh yeah, let's go on. Computer, this is
Ah,
when you
no,
know
no,
record.
no. Why?
Let's go on. So let me finish first. So I'll think of what you were saying. I'll think of it.
Mm. Mr.
Let's go on. So this is 1D inside 3D array. You can see how many open brackets do you see there?
3.
3 open brackets. So let me explain the breakdown of that 3. Okay, I'll do that later on. Let's do another example. I'll do that later on. Let's do another example. Somebody should do this one for me. You're in my class. You're in this class. Explain this 3D array with 1, 2, 2D array inside. You can try this. No need of importing a numpy. You just tell me what to do. Why are now waiting? I'll give you the expo already. Yeah. What should I do? Very easy now. Ginger input to ginger this class. Very easy. That is it.
But
Talk, talk, talk,
Mr.
talk,
Are-
talk, talk.
So, Mr. Dan,
Yes, sir.
when you say print bracket array, the last one, you're supposed to put 2 to confirm it's 2D.
Which one?
Where you have your custom. No, down.
Yeah.
No, inside.
Inside here.
Yes.
No, no, I mean, I'm not printing. That one is for to check if it's really 3D.
Mr. Dan, this
Yes.
one now, you said
Yes.
this 123 is a row, 456 is a row.
Yes.
So, and you said there can be different rows there can be as many rows as possible in 2D.
Yes.
So, and for 2D, it only has the 2 square brackets. So that's what was actually confusing me in that how do you infuse
Is
it?
it this one? Is it
Yes.
this one?
Yes.
It does not mean that you can have only 3 rows now. 2D means that it can be like, I don't know how to, maybe I will break it down for you later on. 2D is different from what you can put inside 3D is different from what you can put inside 2D.
Let's break it
But
down.
what you should take note of is this one. The first layer is entire 2D. The first layer now is entire, it's 2D, it's inside 3D. So the first layer is entire 2D. Then the second row is the entire 2D array. Who is that? Who is joining again? Say the time you're joining.
So there are 2.
I'm coming. Let me add someone. Oh, not see my tab again. No. I no see the tab again. No. Google Meet. The person don't come out safe. I'm going to put this here. Start with this sound. Oh yeah, ask your question. Ask. Let me hear you now. Mr. Kisley, what were you asking? Ask. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Oh yeah, ask your question.
No. So I was saying, if you are saying you are printing 2D inside 3D, then
Yes,
from that formula, the last one there, you're supposed to put 2 at that arrow.
Okay. You're saying different thing now. I get what you're saying.
Okay.
Do you understand what he's saying?
Yes. But that should be available as
He's asking me that.
anything.
He's saying that I should print the
ARR
yes.
2.
That one is simple now. But my system is a little bit angry.
Come on, Mr. Dan, I have plenty questions.
Ask. Why?
For this one now, you say it's 2D. So there can be plenty rows inside. We can have 7, 9,
Okay.
10, 11, 12, 13. Is it still 2D inside 3D?
I'm coming. I'm coming. Give me some minutes.
That's just 2D.
President. Wow. I'm gonna open a lot of tabs on my system. Just few minutes. Oh, why is this thing frustrating like this? japa. I don't japa, everybody. Everybody does japa. Okay, back. Mr. Ovi. Madam, I'm back to you. Are you there? Oh, oh. Oh, my class one day now. What is wrong with my system like this? Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Obiafa.
I'm good, bro.
You're not good though. You know, send me assignment. Tell us you're good.
I did it now. I did it now. I did it as part of the note.
Where is it?
I did that. I included it in my notes, in the non-pi notes. I did not do it separately.
You did not send your assignment. You did not see the instruction.
I did not see the instruction to send, though. I did not see where you asked us to send it, though.
You did not read your message now.
I checked that message. They did not see where they don't say we should do it. Do the assignment before next class.
My email since. I've given my email. If I give you assignment, send it to that email. Since you have done your own, you can send it.
I will extract it from that non-pi notes. Create a new file.
For you to say you even did it like that. Not like some people are not doing my work. Nice one. So let's go on. Tell me, what was your question?
So I said, like for you said 2D in 3D.
Yes.
So we can have 7, 8, 9 enclosed.
That is a higher dimension now.
Different. No, like now you said there can be as many rows as possible in the.
Yeah, like you want to have like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
No, like okay, like 3. Let's have 2 rows. Is it still 3 or 4? Is it still 2D in 3D?
No, it's not be 2D again now.
What?
You want to do 3D inside 3D. Which one? Just explain what you want. Let me.
Okay, you said there can be many rows inside 2D.
Okay.
I said yes. Like if you have 7, 8, 9 inside 2D now, will it be 3D? If you have
it will not be, 8, no, it will not be like. Let me show you how it's going to come out again. Let me show you. Let me show you another example. Maybe that one will explain what I'm asking. Let me show you. So this is another 3D with 2D array. Let me show you. 3D with 2D array.
Okay.
3D. Wow, 4, 5, matrix. So here you will close it. You will close the 2D like this. Do you see?
Okay.
You can now open another 2D again.
So 2D must come with 2 rows then.
Yes.
That's what I was asking. You said
Okay.
any row.
Okay. No, you will not break it. You can break it. So let me show you first. Let me finish. 4, 5, 6. So just watch the output.
Okay.
Then close. Print array.
Okay.
Array.
Hmm.
You see?
Okay.
So if you want to access it now, this one will be block 1. This one will be block 1. This one will be block 2. That's what I'm trying to tell you that time. This one is block 1 now. This one is block 2.
So once it has 3 rows, it will be 3D.
3D.
Once it has 4 rows, 4D.
That is higher dimension now. Those are higher dimension.
Okay. That's what I was
The most common ones.
Right.
The most common ones to use is 1D.
Okay.
Popular ones to use is 1D. So 4D is higher dimension. The higher dimension.
Okay.
Another example.
Well, sorry. For that assignment, you gave us 3 rows.
They can do 3 rows now. Let me do.
Yeah, that's 1D.
Let me do 3 rows.
You gave us 3.
Is it 3D with 3 rows or 2D with 3 rows?
It was 2D with 3 rows.
Okay.
2D with 3 rows. That's what you gave us. That's what I was asking the question.
Okay.
Do you
2D with 3 rows.
Yes, that's what you
Not
gave.
3D. Not 3D.
Yes, you gave us 2D with 3 rows. Take the assignments.
Let me do it now. No. Let me do it here.
So that's why I'm asking. Is it
So,
possible?
let me do it and confirm what you're asking. 2D with what?
2D with 3 rows, yes.
So what do you do now? It's not that you're not going to put it in block now. You put everything on a straight line. Do you understand?
So,
You open the 2D, but you will not be putting 1D inside. You know, 2D consists of 1D.
yes, yes.
So you'll be putting 1D inside. That is for this question.
Okay.
Equals numpy like np dot array. Then you now open 2. So inside will be 1.
Yes, that's what happened. That's what I was asking.
1 minute. You know that you're putting 2D inside. It's 2D you put inside 3D. You don't understand?
I understand. I was saying that I said these 3 rows inside that 2D. That's right.
Next time, if you want to ask me that kind of question, you can say 3 by 4 or 2 by use matrix. So I understand what you say.
Okay.
You can say 3 by 4 matrix or something like that. Just use matrix.
Okay.
Because all of them have rows. All these things you're saying all of them have rows. Here I have 1 to 4. Then I have this is 1D inside
1D. Oh, okay.
5, 6, 7, 8.
This was the question I was asking. That means you can have 4, 5 rows inside the 2D. That's
9, 10, 11, 12. Then close. Friends. Array. What metric is this? What metric is this?
Is
It's 3 by 4. 3 by 4. 3 rows, 4 columns. That's 3 by 4 matrix.
okay. So if you now have like more than 3, you can have more than 3 1D.
I can have more than 3. I can have 4 by 4 matrix, depending on.
Okay. Wow.
where you're going, what you're trying to achieve.
I understand.
So that, but is it not the first one? The first row is 0, 1, 2, right?
Yeah, zero. This one now is 0, 1, 2. This one is 0,
0,
1,
1,
2,
2,
3.
3, 4. Okay.
No, 0, 1, 2, 3
Two,
is
three.
3.
So,
Yeah.
but you called it 3 by 4. Why?
Yeah,
Yes. Rows are
that one is assessing. That's your thing. Don't confuse you. That one is when you want to assess it.
Okay.
But the shape of this thing is 3 rows, 4 columns.
okay.
Okay. I get
It's when you
3
now
rows,
want
4
to assess. You
columns.
now be saying zero, starting from zero, this kind of thing.
Okay. I understand.
Sorry, one last question. Sorry. One last
Okay.
question. So,
Okay.
like, you can have 1D inside 3D, right?
One.
1D.
Yes, now you can. That's what we did before. Now, maybe I've just
Yeah,
done it
that's
now. Now you fight now. Which one is this one? It's not this one I did.
okay. I just wanted to clarify you.
Imagine.
Let's go.
So we have what is it called? Higher dimension. We have the higher dimension. So the higher dimension array. We talk about maybe indim. So let's look at the higher dimension. See the reason why you need to do your assignments. Assignments. People don't do assignments. They don't talk. They keep quiet. They look us.
Mr. Dan.
All right, let's go on. Ah,
Been sent to the group. Oh. Thank you.
no, don't need to. I know my own assignments. Don't worry. I'll do my assignment. So arrays can go beyond 3 dimensions. These are called higher dimension array, which is 3D, 5D, and so on. They are used in advanced fields like deep learning. Take note. Deep learning. We are doing deep learning. Use all this higher dimension. Image processing, scientific simulation. So we are doing those machine learning, deep learning, image processing. You go through what is it called? 4D, 5D. You will not even do NumPy. Maybe you will be using TensorFlow or Python, one of those ones. But that is what you need to use for that. For your level, what is required of you is that 1D and 2D. The basic ones that the one you'll be coming across is that 1D. 1D array. Maybe you have 1D into 3 places. So let me break it down so you see how it look like. On a line of values. 2D, breaking it down in a way you understand it better.
Rows and columns.
A table. Then 3D.
Stack of 2D.
Then you can call it stack and what?
2D.
Stack of table. Then 4. So that is a basic explanation of 1 to 4D and beyond. So you can go and make research on that 4D, the higher dimension. But I want to show you something. So when the array is created, we can define the number of dimensions by using the ending arguments. That is the ending arguments. So let's see. Let's see if we can define the number of dimension. Example. Create an array with 5 dimensions. And verify that it has 5 dimensions. Array equals np dot array, one bracket, the square bracket, 1, 2, 3, 4. Equals 5. Then print array. So to verify number of dimension. line is that? Let's see the line. The equals line. So which line is that? Who can tell us? You know it.
The NDIM is equals to 5.
If you know it, I'll give you 10 million cash.
What's the question again?
See it now. Tell me the error. Time is going. Tell me the error.
B equals to, after the NDIMN equals to 5. That's it.
Eh?
Double equals to.
Hey, I'm waiting though. What is the error? What is the error?
Wow.
Ah.
Calm down.
Wait, Mr. Dan,
Yes.
I'm
Okay.
just going to ask. The full stop supposed to be common? Is the full stop supposed to be comma?
Okay, but you have said it late. No money for you.
What do you mean? I got it now. I got Mr. Dan.
No money for you. No money for you.
I got Mr. Dan. No, I deserve it. I deserve my 1 million.
Next time. Just try to
1
say it
million.
fast. Say
It's
it
not
fast
late,
immediately.
Mr. Dan. I got it on time.
Say it fast immediately.
Mr. Tanya, that is scammer.
He's the Nigerian president.
That's well, this one not in
So don't worry. I got you. I got your back. Don't worry, got your back. So we've done how to access 2D. Let's look at accessing 3D.
Hey, Mr. Dan, please, I need your help. Can you scroll up a bit?
Up. Where?
That examples you are giving me.
This one.
The 2, 1, all those ones. I think I missed something. I wanted to check something there.
This one.
Yes, please go up a bit too.
I should go up again.
Yes. Okay, that's fine. I'll come down.
What's moving?
Okay, Mr. Dan, you can scroll down.
I can scroll down.
Yes.
Down.
Protect not.
My finger. Are you true?
Yes.
Okay. Who else want me to scroll up and down? Who else? Oh yeah, I'll talk before I move on to the next thing. You can just snap now. I can just snap it. Just tell me to scroll.
Yeah,
to
I've snapped it.
Who else want to scroll and snap? Okay, nobody. Time up. Let's go on. So let's look at how we can access the 3D. That 3D, let's see which one I'm going to use. The access 3D. Somebody should give me an example with 3D with zeros. Anybody? 3D, 3 rows.
Well, we can use ARRT3.
So you understand what I mean by 3D with 3 rows?
Yeah. Yeah, equals to NP array, open bracket. Yeah, the square bracket. Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Let me comment it. Layer 1, layer 0. Layer 0. I continue.
1, 2, 3.
I'm
Now
coming.
I'm doing 3 by 3
I'm coming.
matrix.
Coming. Let's go.
Can you comment like that?
Yes. 1,
It's
2, I'll
affecting
break it.
the.
Yeah, I'll break it down. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go.
Close bracket. Close the
For,
parentheses.
no, I
1 to
want to
be
add
4.
one number. Yes.
3 by 4 matrix. Okay. Comma.
Next.
Square bracket again. 5, 6, 7, 8.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Close bracket. Comma. Open bracket
Next.
again. 9, 10, 11, 12.
9, 10, 11, 12.
Close bracket. Oh yeah, go and close it. It's 3 now. It has complete.
No, now.
That's complete.
I need another 3 again. This
But you
that's
said
actually layer
it.
0. Yes,
You
I need
said
another
3.
3 again.
Okay, that's
I need
block.
another.
More like block.
Yes, I need another 3 again.
No, wow, today is
That's why I say layer 1. So give me another layer. Don't worry, give me another layer again.
today.
After this one now, give me another one.
Oh, wow.
Let me close this one.
Today.
No, give me another one. The way you gave me this one, give me another one.
Okay. Can I start the same? Can I use the same number?
No, let's use different numbers. So when we're assessing, it's
Okay.
for you to.
7, 8, 9, 10.
I'm coming. Let me close this one first. 7.
8, 9,
No,
10.
we have that one. Yeah, it's 13. Start from 13 now.
Okay. 13, 14, 15, 16.
How did you do that?
16. I'm coming now. There, I did it. How much will you pay?
Comma.
How much will you pay?
Yeah.
17, 18, 19, 20.
Hold on. I did not open this layer. Hold on.
Scatter, I want to scatter my head this night.
I said,
Open layer 1. You have open layer 0 now.
my head don't they?
Layer 1.
It's over.
Layer 1. Alright, let's go.
17, 18, 19, 20.
17, 18, 19. Go and watch Telemundo. 20. Then remember 1.
Comma. Come 1. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
21.
22, 23, 24.
That's all.
Yeah. The third layer.
Oh, wow. Wow, is the
I'm not doing third layer. Don't kill yourself.
Mr. V, calm down. Calm down.
Yeah. 3D.
Tadan, please, can you explain these things more?
See, he got the first one right now. I wanted it to be 2 block now. He got it right. I think you should add another block to it. This one. You know you can add another one. Three steps.
Okay.
So if you want to access, you call the block you're bringing your data from. So I don't want to do all those basic line. I want to teach you something you can apply it to
Thank
something.
you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. If I want to teach you basic, I don't teach you. I don't move to the next one. You're not going to be okay like that now. Ask your question.
Okay, just scroll up a bit. Let me just go through what you did first.
Oh, yeah, first do your own. Run it. If you run, just let me explain. Run your own first.
Yes, please scroll up.
I hope I did like this.
Yes.
So this is 2D in 3D array. This is 2D in three-dimensional array.
2D, three-dimensional array.
Yeah, that you use 2D as the.
Yes, it's three rows now. Three rows. It's two blocks. What I did here is 3D with two rows in two blocks.
Yeah.
Do you understand? Should I break it
Yes,
down?
now
Take
that
What I did here now, the
you
shape
use.
is 2, 3, 4.
What I'm saying that is two-dimensional array you used to make that 3D array.
Yes, two-dimensional array.
That's what I'm saying. No, the one I wanted to use is 1D.
Okay. That's why I said you should do more now. You add more to it.
Yeah.
Anyway, you see close show that is 2 times. No, that is 2D now. See, the close is 2. So it's 2. So,
This square bracket that is on its own that has comma. What does that mean? Because that one the assignment you gave us, it was there like that.
it says square bracket there on its own. Which one? Oh, yeah. Yeah, which one? Which one do
I'm
which
trying to
one do on its
understand it
own?
in my own way. This one,
Yeah.
after this 9, 10, 11, 12, that square bracket that is just there.
It's 2D now. We're closing
It's
2D.
2D, that's what I'm
Okay,
saying.
you are closing the 2D.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
You know open another 2D again.
Okay.
Let me
You
add
can
comment.
either use 1D or 2D to form 3D-dimensional array.
Let me.
But Mr. Dan, for that, before that layer 1, just one open bracket that is there, one square bracket.
Which one? This one?
No. You want
This
down.
one?
Layer
This one?
1, layer 1.
Layer 1. This one?
Yes, the square bracket before that hash.
This is 1 and this is 2. It's 2 now. 1, 2.
Okay, you
This is 1 now.
commented.
Yes. Then you can't put it. If you put it there to be the comments now, so I have to break it.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Mr. Dad, please, I have a question. Can I see that what is it called? Number of dimensions, right? That one that you did. Mine did not run. I don't know
Which
why.
one?
The one before this accessing 3D arrays.
Where did not go? This one?
Wait, calm down. No, calm down.
Yeah. Where you have NDM.
Number of
Yes,
dimension.
this part. Yeah, this part you have number of dimension equals. Yes, this one.
Where is your error? Where is your error?
Let me send it to the group. Sorry, so many fancy things.
Mr. Dan, I have a question. What's the difference between, is it the same thing, NDMIN, then NDIM?
No, that one you're assigning the number of dimension you want to. You're assigning it. So that one you're taking the number of dimension.
Okay.
Can I go on?
Yes, ma'am.
So now, please check. I sent it on the group.
Okay. I'm coming. See, the overview of that stuff we just the table we just closed now. This table. Let me put it here.
Oh, wow.
It's two layer, right? Two numbers, number of layers. Then three. Who they call me now? Who they call me? Okay, now you're supposed to call me back next time. Three numbers, number of rows. Per what? Per layer. The last one is what? 4 number of what? I will not contribute at all. Columns per row. You can be asked to check the shape, like shape. What is the shape of this table?
Is it rectangle?
Rectangle.
Cube.
Let me explain the shape for you so you
3
understand.
by 4.
Let me give you the. So the shape of an array is the number of elements in each dimension. The number of elements in each dimension. So if you want to check the shape of this array now, you can use print open brackets array 3D dot what? Dot shape. What shape is this? 2 layers, 3 rows, then 4 columns. That is the meaning. That's what I just explained above there. That is the meaning of that.
2 layers, 3 rows. Okay.
have you checked?
What?
It's stopped by tenth.
Let me see what it's saying. So I don't get gurus for this class. When is my error?
All of us today.
Check that your endings. Check.
I should check what?
Check the spelling.
NDIM.
Check the way you.
No, I don't understand. Sorry. I should check what?
That is where you got the error. Check if there is any error there. That is the sign is bringing that there is error. Check.
Okay.
What should you
Please, can you scroll up a bit?
we make our way?
No. That's okay.
You got it, Abby?
Okay, I've seen it. Yes. I've
Okay.
seen where the problem is.
Okay. Please, let's move on. So first question. Now you know how to get the shape. How do we get the dimension? Who else can tell us? Dimension. Another one now. Oh yeah, now I'm not another my spirit. Dimension. How do you check dimension?
ARR3D dots
NDIM.
NDIM.
Three dimension. Okay, now let's see something. Print the entire layer. 0. If you are following me in this class, you can do this one. Which one did they say you should print out of the two?
Yeah.
So what is it going to return? How do we assess it?
So Dan, please can you scroll down? Because I'm not seeing what you just typed.
I'm already done now. Scroll down.
Okay, print the entire layer 0. Let's do it now.
I'm coming. Let me finish typing. All right, let's go.
Yeah.
Anybody that's solve my question? Yeah, Bobo. I'll give Bobo.
AR3D print
Print
AR3D dot square bracket.
3D square bracket.
Yes, 0.
Thank you. Next, who did the next one? At least you know say print they there.
Print AR3D
No say print they there. Yeah.
1 open square bracket
That's true.
1 print schedule in layer 1.
That should be it. Okay.
What will it return?
Third row should be 9, 10, 11, 12. 9, 10, 11, 12 now.
Huh?
It should be 9, 10, 11, 12. Third row.
Is it
Third row in layer 1.
2 now.
Huh?
1,2.
What will it return? That's what I want. What will it return? Tell me what
So
it will
show us
return.
the show us the
Yeah,
layers.
okay, you are not typing.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Oh, layer 1. Oh, 21, 22, 23, 24.
Okay.
21, 22, yes, that's correct. I'm not typing, no, you guys are ahead of me. I could not follow through.
It's ahead of you. The last one.
I got it now, too.
The last.
Print element 24. 24 is the last one now. 2 minus 1, comma 2 minus 1.
1,2 minus 1.
Yes,
Okay. So you're using negative index.
yes, sir.
Mr. Dan, when you printed the entire layer 0, you did
Yes.
not print everything. You just stopped at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You did not print 9, 10, 11, 12.
Are you not seeing my screen? Maybe now it's printing it.
Oh, sorry.
It did.
Okay,
Oh
okay.
yeah, Mr. Ovi, continue.
Minus 1.
Minus 1. From positive parts, what will it return? Positive.
Calm down now. I'm not seeing it.
Positive cause was problem. Why now?
4. Abi? 3.
Come on. Then I will stop. My light don't go. My light don't go.